Neither the National Electrical Code nor the International Electrical Code specifically addresses the issue of connecting communications between machines with isolated power supplies. However, connecting communications between machines with isolated power supplies can be dangerous due to several potential issues. Firstly, ground loops can occur. Connecting the communications lines can create a ground loop, which can allow stray currents to flow between the machines and cause electrical noise and interference. Secondly, voltage differences can pose a problem. If the power supplies have different voltages, connecting the communications lines can create a voltage potential that can damage the equipment. Thirdly, isolation failure is a risk. If the isolation between the machines fails, it can allow high voltage or current to flow through the communications lines, which can be dangerous for personnel and equipment. It is generally considered best practice to keep the communications between machines with isolated power supplies isolated. This can be achieved by using several methods. 1. Optical isolators can be used. These devices use light to transmit signals, which prevents electrical connection between the circuits. 2. Isolated Rs-485 repeaters can be implemented. These devices amplify and isolate the Rs-485 signals, preventing ground loops and voltage differences. 3. Separate communication networks can be established. Utilize different wired or wireless networks for communication between the machines, ensuring there is no electrical connection between them. While some people may have had success connecting communications between isolated machines in the past, it is not recommended as a general practice. The potential risks to safety and equipment damage outweigh the convenience of easier handshakes. In conclusion, it is not recommended to connect communications between machines with isolated power supplies. This practice can be dangerous and is not supported by industry best practices. Instead, it is safer and more reliable to use isolated communication methods or separate communication networks.